Namaskar. You see, it is like this. Your outer appearance, like hair, skin, nails, and so on, reflect the condition of your overall health. When it comes to hair, you could be struggling with dryness, frizz, or even hair loss. Today, you will see 3 hair care solutions that includes a natural conditioner, a simple juice, and a powerful yogasana. First is coconut milk and honey conditioner. Let's start with a homemade coconut milk and honey conditioner. It's very easy to make. Mix 1/4 cup of coconut milk with 2 tablespoons of honey in a bowl. Make sure that they are thoroughly combined. After shampooing your hair, apply this conditioner to your scalp, hair strands, and the end. Avoid the scalp if you have oily hair. Gently massage it and leave it in for 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and finish it with the cool water to add more shining. Here, the fatty acids in the coconut milk will help to hydrate and soften your hair, and you will be able to manage it better. Since honey is a natural humectant, when applied to your hair, it will hold on to water molecules. This natural conditioner will give you well-nourished hair. You can use it once in a week for the best effect. Second would be curry leaf juice for soft hair. Now let's talk about a superfood for your hair. A very old Ayurvedic tradition is to consume curry leaves for your hair health. You can drink curry leaf juice on an empty stomach for soft hair. It has also other health benefits. Just blend about 20 to 25 fresh curry leaves with a cup of warm water and then strain the mixture. Now drink this in the morning on an empty stomach. But why is this so great for your hair? It's because curry leaves are packed with antioxidants that protects your hair. They also contain iron, B vitamins, and beta-carotene. This drink will bring fresh life to your hair. Try this juice twice a week and observe how you feel. Now third, Sarvangasana for hair. Let us see a very powerful asana for overall health and better hair. Sarvangasana, or the shoulder stand pose, increases blood circulation to your hair because it makes your body upside down. Sarvangasana definitely nourishes your hair follicles, but that's not all. It also balances your hormones, reduces stress, and enhances digestion. These factors are also needed for maintaining healthy hair, right? So these are 3 natural ways to achieve soft and healthy hair. Apart from these methods, you must also have a balanced lifestyle, because the secret of beautiful hair lies in your general good health. Namaskar.